Welcome back to iClicks Biology Discuss. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the detailed structure of prokaryotic cell. Okay. Today, let's discuss one by one. First of all, let's discuss about the cell envelope. Okay. Cell envelope means this is the covering of the cell. If you see the cell envelope in case of prokaryotic cell, there is three layers of envelope, or the three layers of covering are found in some bacteria. Okay, the outermost covering that is the capsule. Okay, the capsule may present in some bacteria or it may absent in some bacteria. Okay, so on the basis of that, the bacteria in the capsule, that is called as encapsulated bacteria. Okay, and the bacteria without capsule, that is called as acapsulated bacteria. Absent, and if the capsule is present. Okay, so this is the outermost covering of the prokaryotic cell. Then inner to this capsule or the middle layer, this is called as cell wall. Okay, and inner to cell wall, the innermost layer, that is called as plasma membrane. Innermost layer, that is called as plasma membrane. Okay, if you see the capsule, okay, this capsule is actually deposited or that is made up of polysaccharide, and that polysaccharide is deposited by the protoplasm of this prokaryotic cell. Okay, what is the composition of this capsule? That is polysaccharide. Okay, the prokaryotic capsule that is made up of polysaccharide. Okay, and this polysaccharide is deposited by its protoplasm. Okay, its protoplasm deposited this polysaccharide outside the cell wall, and this capsule make another covering, or it gives more protection. If a bacteria is having capsule, then it gives more protection as compared to the bacteria without capsule. Okay, thus this capsule it gives a protection against a host defense mechanism. Okay, and the capsulated bacteria or the encapsulated bacteria, they can cause disease in the host organism. Okay, so this is the function of this capsule. The capsulated bacteria can cause disease. They can cause disease. Okay, and if you see the cell wall, the cell wall in case of your prokaryotic cell, they are made up of peptidoglycans. They are made up of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan means peptide, that is the polypeptide chains. Okay, what is the polypeptide chain is for? The polypeptide chain is the chain of amino acid when joined with the help of peptide bond, that is called as polypeptide chain of amino acid. And the polypeptide chain of amino acid can form a strand of protein. Okay, thus peptide means this is the protein, and glycan, that is from the glucose or sugar. So peptidoglycan, that is having protein and sugar. Okay, so this is the middle layer that is found in case of prokaryotic cell. And inner to this cell wall, there is presence of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, that is made up of phospholipid and proteins. Okay, this is the phospholipids and proteins. If you see the cell wall, what is the function of this cell wall? The function of the cell wall, that is, it gives a definite shape to the cell. It gives definite shape to the cell. Okay, as well as it protect the cell from the bursting. If more amount of protoplasm will form inside the cell, then there may be chances that the cell can burst. Okay, so from this bursting, it may also help. It may also protect the cell. Okay, so protect the cell from bursting. Okay, so this is the cell envelope that is found in case of prokaryotic cell. Okay, let me recall this. Cell envelope in case of prokaryotic cell, that is made up of 3 layers. The outermost layer, that is the capsule. If capsule is present in case of bacteria, then that bacteria will be called as encapsulated bacteria. The bacteria without capsule, that is called as acapsulated bacteria. And if the encapsulated bacteria enters the host, then the host can easily destroy that, or the defense mechanism of the host can easily destroy the encapsulated bacteria. But the encapsulated bacteria cannot be able to destroy by the host defense mechanism. This is quite a harder job for the host, but this can cause the disease inside the body. And if we see the chemical composition, this is made up of polysaccharide, and this polysaccharide is deposited by its protoplasm. Then the middle layer, that is the cell wall, and the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan in case of prokaryotic cell. And peptidoglycan means there is having protein and glucose of the sugar. And the function of this cell wall, that is, it gives definite shape to the cell as well as it protects the cell from the bursting. And if we see the innermost layer, this is the plasma membrane, and the chemical composition of the plasma membrane, that is phospholipid and the proteins. Okay, so this is all about the prokaryotic cell envelope. In the upcoming classes, we will discuss about the different other parts that is found in case of prokaryotic cell, like the ribosome, the sex pili or the fimri. Then there is presence of flagella. Then there is presence of nucleoid, or there is presence of mesosomes, and there is also presence of polyribosomes. Hope you enjoy this lecture. Please like my channel, subscribe and comment. Thank you.